Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Looking great, checking in, man. I'm giving the guys an update of where I'm at. You know, home time is over, man. I'm back on the grind. You feel me? I'm on my way right now, heading to Doral, Florida to pick up my load that's going to Laredo, Texas. 1,700 miles, man. That's how I'm kickstarting my journey. This 6-week journey, man. Please make sure you guys stay tuned. I got a bunch of stuff planned for you guys. You feel me? Make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, alright? And turn on your post notification bell. So whenever I drop a video, you guys will be notified. You understand? So you guys will be the first, you know, to see what the great guy have planned for you. Yeah, let's follow me on my journey, man. Alright, follow me on my journey out here. Journey to greatness, you feel me? Let's grow together, alright? From state to state, travel all of America and make some money, alright? And help some people along the way, giving us some valuable information. You understand? You don't know how to do things over here, man. Do things the right way. This is the Hustlers channel, you feel me? So let's stay tuned, man. Heading to my pickup right now while checking with the guys later, alright? Peace. Yeah, checking great fam. I'm here to pick up the location. My load is ready. Picking up that trailer over there. That dock. Yep, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then on my way to Laredo, Texas. I'm driving to that at least 11 o'clock tonight, so catch you on the flip side.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, my viewers and subscribers. I understand giving thanks for life as usual on a daily basis, my people. So, right about now, my people, boy, you know this story I'm going to talk about now, my people. Zane, unfortunately, it happened basically almost 2 weeks now, my people. You get me? And it's a very sad incident, my people. Very sad incident involving a Jamaican national who died over there in the United States of America. Well, this Jamaican national, my people, who is a father of 2, you understand, and have a beautiful wife who him leave behind, my people. And he was also a former athlete, my viewers and subscribers, who represented the St. Diego High School both locally and overseas, people, in, you know what I mean, in the competition of track and field. Well, after such and such, you know what I mean, basically track and field career him now, you know what I mean, continue the career, people, managed to be in the United States, my people. Him comes a woman, start him trucking company, my people. You get what me I say? Own him own chopping company where I go on with a lot of things and things, my viewers and subscribers. And yeah, man, you know, very big and very successful in his business. You understand? Person his thing, man, his family enjoying living life. You know what I mean? Because even when I saw where his wife speak out, people, and talk of how this man was a good and was a great man, you know what I mean, and how she missed him, and you can definitely know. And when I see friends who posted a lot about his passing. Well, my people, sadly, on September the 23rd, 2021, this young man, 31 years old, my people, was on his work duty, you understand, his normal duty, heading to another part over there in the United States. Some part in some one of the Carolina, them, whether north or south, but one of them Carolina place there over there in the United States, people. When something very sad and drastical happened. He didn't die, you understand, from an accident involving the truck, people, but he died from an accident involving, you understand, while he was doing something with the truck. Well, it is said that while he was there doing some unloading and thing with his truck, people, because I don't know, say, the trucking business over there in the United States, they carry things, drop off things, people. A pallet dropped down on him, people. You understand? Basically a pallet with things. And when the pallet dropped down on him, people, it managed to broke his neck. And sadly, he died on the spot. See? So other persons may talk about this thing, people, and they may talk on the fact where they're saying he died from an accident, you know what I mean, involving the truck. But no, he didn't die from an accident involving the truck. He was a great driver, people, a very great lover of truck and also track and field. and was a good runner. You know what I mean? But we know say, even though he was a great driver, anything can happen because the best of the best can also die in an accident. You understand, people? But no, he didn't die from the truck, people. He died from a pallet. You understand? While under his duty, doing his thing and thing. Sadly, people, as I said, he left 2 daughters behind, a wife, who are mourning the loss, his other family members, other friends, other former athletes who we do run against, who are mourning. You know what I mean? A lot of people can't believe. And they are all saying of how a nice, a great person, a family love for oriented man has just passed away in such a tragic way, my people. And we just don't know, people. You understand the minute, the hour, the time, and I'm saying these things over and over, my viewers and subscribers. You just don't know. Because think about it, people. This man was there, you know what I mean? Unloading, doing stuff, working, people. Something when him do on a normal basis. It's not the first time I do it, people. But something tragical, something drastical just happened, where a pallet just fell down on him, people, and managed to break his neck right on the spot. When things like them happen, a lot of people may think, a lot of people may speculate and say different things. It was a plan thing, it was a set thing. Some people may think it was an accident, some people may think this and think that, you know. But when I look at it, people, I just have to say, boy, the devil's strong, you know. And if it was just his time, you know, that's how I have to look at it, people. This man was also, you know what I mean, doing vlogs on his YouTube channel where he name off a truck and thing, people. You know what I mean? And his family, sometimes he will showcase video with his daughter and with this thing. And as I look on the front there, I showcase a piece of a vlog that he was doing, you know what I mean, with his family, people. And sadly, they leave to mourn the loss, you know what I mean, of this great man. You know, as I tell you, a man who represented, you know what I mean, St. Jago High School, was a great runner, people, pursuing his career, but sadly, he's gone, you know. And I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all his family members, you understand, talking especially his daughters, his wife, former athletes, mother, father, if they're alive, you know, sister, brothers, and everyone who is mourning the loss of this man, my people. Because honestly, my people, I couldn't have just seen this story and just bypass it and don't talk about it. And you all know that I weren't doing no vlog for a couple of days, well, because I was there, you know what I mean, getting my program up and running, people, my charity program where I was doing the treat for the kids and also the food drive feeding the homeless in Jamaica. So you don't know, people, but when I do go through a lot of story that was sent to my people and I saw this one, this is one that I really would have to share on my program, people, because it's such a sad one. And when it comes to boom and go over on their channel, when I get the link and see, you know what I mean, their vlogs, people, and how this man was loving with his daughter, and to know the pain what his family is going through right now, my people, honestly, I did really have to share it, people, and that's why I come forward and drop it now, my people. And as I said before, and I'm gonna say it again, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of this young man who sadly passed away, people, at a young age, at just 31. You know, just in the peak of living life to the fullest, just in the peak, you know. Imagine people having his own business, trucking business at the age of 31. Imagine having a strong woman by his side, people, with 2 beautiful daughters, and they are left right now, people, to mourn the loss of this man, which they weren't expecting. You understand? They weren't thinking that, you know what, he will be gone, you know what I mean? They weren't thinking about that, people. Maybe they were planning something big, you know what I mean? Planning something big for the Christmas, maybe, you know? But yo, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. So, as I said before, my people, just more love, more blessings, and more respect. And just love your brothers, love your sister. Show love when you can, my people. Just don't wait till that final moment. You're going to show love and tell your family say you love them. You know what I mean? Just show them love, show them care. You know, because, yo, we just don't know what tomorrow may bring. So, my people, big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, and more respect. And you don't know, please like, please share, please comment, and pour out on a love, pour out on the condolences, my people, because you don't know the thing. But big up on yourself. Thanks to the like, thanks to the comment, thanks to the share. Remember to do, please subscribe, people, and get us there to what? 200k in this year 2021, my people. If it not happen this year 2021, people, we not go cuss, we not go ball, we not go cry, because what? We still thanks for the support throughout the years, people, because without you all, we could have done where we there. So you don't know, people, big up on yourself, man, and appreciate the folks them who they did and I show them love. And big up the one them who see them on the dark and I say, NEWLINK me, I see you dead. You know what I mean? You will do. Peace out, yeah, man. Big up on yourself, people. I'm out. Blessings.